your birthday present.
I don't want another dog.
This is actually a new dog. But are you keeping him?
Yeah.
Really?
Seriously?
Hi, Bowser.
No, wait, no.
Yeah.
No. No.
I like you more than all of our dogs.
Why?
Nice.
That's not. No.
It's not our dog.
That's not. Is that seriously?
It's our dog.
Why?
We got you guys a dog yesterday.
Why?
No, you didn't. You're lying.
It's Caleb's birthday present.
You're lying.
Oh, why'd you get us a new dog?
Family dog.
You
I
lied.
like this one more than all the others.
That looks like Panzo.
He's a devil.
Yeah. It's a lab beagle.
Why'd you get this now?
It's a family dog.
Why are you taking pictures?
Why not?
Can I hold? It's
You're
not
mean
just
for
you.
getting
It's
a
not